Good morning, children.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. And you?
Fine, also. Thank you. Today's class is going to be a little bit different from the other classes. Why? Because in today's lesson we are going to work on how to do an instructive text. Does anybody know what's an instructive text?
No?
Maybe any example of one of them? An example?
I don't know.
Nobody?
No.
Okay, so an example of this type of text will be, for example, how to build something, how to play a game. As you can notice, in all of these examples, they give you instructions to follow them. So, in today's class, we are going to work on another type of this instructive text. We are going to work on a recipe.
How we are going to work with that?
Good question. To work on a recipe, I'm going to give you the instructions you must follow. And at the same time, I give you the steps and the instructions of the recipe. You must take notes in your notebooks.
Okay.
Why? Because we are going to make a lemon cake.
Oh yeah, that looks entertaining.
So, to make the lemon cake, to make this lemon cake, you will take notes, and then you will have to make this cake at home with your parents. So, let's start. First of all, before starting, I want you to take your notebooks and a pen or a pencil. Doesn't it?
Okay, we're ready.
Okay, so the first question is, what do we need for start cooking?
Things to cook.
Yes, but how are those things called?
It could be ingredients.
Yes, very good, Jon.
Yeah.
Ingredients. So, ingredients. Before starting to follow the steps, we have to take into account that we have all the ingredients that we need to start cooking.
Okay.
The ingredients go in a recipe. They are always written in before the steps.
Okay.
This means that they are also after the title or after the introduction of the text.
Oh, okay.
Take notes, please.
Yes, got it. One question.
Yes, send it.
This is going to be very difficult, this recipe.
Oh, no. Making a lemon cake is a simple recipe that all of you must be able to do. But remember that you will have to do this recipe with your parents.
Great, yeah.
Let's start with the ingredients. Here I have all the ingredients. So, first of all, the ingredients that we use to make this lemon cake will be a natural yogurt, two sugar glasses of yogurt glass measurements, another ingredient will be an oil glass with the same measurement, with the yogurt glass measurement.
Okay.
Another ingredient, 3 glasses of flour. And the last 3 ingredients. Let me see how I'm doing.
Yeah.
Okay. Well. 3 eggs.
Oh,
A lemon. And to finish, 2 tablespoons of yeast.
okay.
What? Any question?
Yeah, one question.
Yes, say John.
What means 2 sugar glasses?
You refer to these glasses?
Yes, yeah.
Oh, yes, I have said before, we are going to use the measurement of the natural yogurt glass. This means these 2 sugar glasses
Yeah.
will have the same measurement of this natural yogurt glass.
Oh.
So we will use the yogurt glass as a reference for the measurement.
Okay. Okay, teacher, thank you.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Perfect. So, apart from that,
Yeah.
I have another question.
Yeah. Okay.
For example, John,
Yeah.
how many eggs will we say that we need?
I have written here 3 eggs.
Perfect. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. You have been. Okay. So, here we have the ingredients. Another important thing for in the ingredients is that. One question, please.
Yeah.
First, did you write the ingredients one by one using commas, or did you use different points and you write them one behind the other for to different or to distinguish between them?
I write it with different points behind it.
Very good. Remember this. You can't write the ingredients like that.
Okay.
You have to write them one by one, but also one behind the other. And always using these kind of points or marks
Yeah.
to distinguish
Okay.
between them.
Okay.
So, ingredients are done.
Okay.
Everybody has copy?
Yes.
Perfect. So, after the ingredients, what goes on our recipe?
You said that the steps.
Yes, very good. As I have said before, in a recipe, we will have steps or instructions that we must follow. Remember, this is important. Always in the same chronological order that they are written.
Okay.
Yes, that's very important. Well, so the steps for making this lemon cake will be: preheat the oven to 185 degrees centigrade. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Another important thing. To follow the chronological order, we are going to do this. We are going to put a number before every step, and this way you don't have any problem. So, the second one, or the second step or instruction, will be beat the X. Okay? Perfect. The third step
Yes.
will be mix the yogurt with the eggs. And at the same time we mix both yogurt and eggs, we also have to add the sugar and the lemon zest.
Okay. Also in the first one, no?
Yes,
Yes. Okay.
we mix the yogurt, the eggs, but beaten,
Okay.
the sugar, and also the lemon zest. Yes?
Yes.
Let me see, please.
I have here the first three.
Perfect.
Okay.
Well done. Well done. Okay. The fourth step will be add the flour,
Okay.
the flour. And at the same time we add the flour, we also have to add the yeast.
Okay.
But we have to add it carefully. You have to add it to all these ingredients carefully, mixing them all together. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. The next step will be to add a little bit of oil to the mold that we are going to use to bake the cake.
Okay.
To the mold. Yes? Does anybody have any question?
No.
No? Okay. After this, we have all this mix that we have done. We have to add it to the mold.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Everything to the mold. Okay. And the last step will be that when we finish all this, we bake. We bake the cake for 30 minutes. Please, very important. 30 minutes. 285 degrees centigrade. Yes? Well done. Let's see. Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. Well, so this will be the lemon cake recipe. As I have said before, I want you to do this recipe with the help of your parents. Please, it's very important. I don't want to make the cake by your own.
Okay, one question.
Yes.
We have to bring here a piece of the cake, no?
Yes.
For tomorrow.
Yes. All of you must take a piece of your cake for the next day.
Okay.
Yes?
Yes.
Is anybody...
No, I don't have any question.
Perfect. So the class is finished. Thank you very much.
Okay.